Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new game mode. The game detail itself is a Runaway Bulls. As you can see, this is a Runaway Bulls. Rush and collide as a ball. Let's see the details. So the mode is kill confirm, and the map its limits are limits. Standoff, rush, knockdown, firing range, summit, shoot house, and express map. So and also the rules are limitless potential, bull charge only. Bull charge is the only available operator skill in here, and also faster skill recharge, greatly increase the recharge of speed of operator skills, and also no score strike. Score strikes will be disabled in this Runaway Bulls. Let's get started the Runaway Bulls. So in this mode, you have to collect enemy dog tags. You will be divided into two teams in here. So welcome to shoot house. This is my team. Let's begin. As you can see, this is the bull charge. Let's wait until 100%. Yeah, we are already 100% here. Let's building charge. This is the bull charge. Okay, let's charge the enemy up front. Kill, and it will recharge. Let's wait until 100%. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.